My name is Christopher Dittrich. I'm responsible for the area of cutting here at Rothenberger. Today, I'm showing you our tube cutter, the Tube Cutter TC35. The Tube Cutter TC35 has long been a popular tool among HVAC installers and system engineers, and is particularly attractive because of its compact design and easy operation. With the Tube Cutter, you can cut tubes with a diameter ranging from 6 to 35 millimeters. The advantages of the TC35 can be quickly identified. The Duramag casing encloses the high-precision feed thread. This makes operation much easier for you. By turning the feed wheel, you can set exactly the diameter that you need. The tube support surface opposite the wheel enables precise guidance when cutting close to the flanges, and also when cutting normal copper tubes. This is an important advantage, especially for installation engineers. When cutting close to the flare, the tube is cut directly behind it. This saves material. In addition, the Tube Cutter TC35 has an internal deburrer integrated in the handle. Deburring prevents turbulence in the tube and eliminates unwanted noise. To ensure that you are always ready for action with this tube cutter, you will find a spare cutting wheel in the handle.